In this lab, we will take a look to configuring IPv6 interface. This lab has 3 steps. In the first step, we need to configure Gig00 interfaces with the IPv6 addresses as shown above. This one and this one. In the second step, we need to run the show IPv6 interface brief command and check the output. And in the last step, we need to check the show CDP neighbors command. And okay, let's go. We have Madrid and Miami again. Let's go to the Miami first. Madrid first. I need to go to the config mode, and to assign a IP address to an interface, remember that I need to go to the interface mode, interface Gig00, and now it's time to attach the IPv6 address to here. The command that I'm using when I'm assigning the IPv4 address was IP address, as you remember. But if I want to assign IPv6 address, I'm using IPv6 address command. The address is, oops, it was something like that. DB8 BCAD5. And colon 5/64. That's it. That's okay. And don't forget the no shot again. And I need to copy this address because Miami's IP address is the 6th version of this. Let's go to the Miami and config mode, interface Gig00, and IPv6 address this, right? I just enter and type the no shot. Pretty cool. First step is done. There's no problem. And in the second step, it says me that run the show IPv6 interface brief command. To run the show commands, we need to go to the privileged exec mode, and let's issue that show IPv6 interface brief. This command shows us if I attached an IPv6 IP address to the related interfaces. As you can see that the IP address that I attached is in the Gigabit Ethernet 00. Okay, I checked this output too. Now run show CDP neighbors command on Madrid. I'm going to Madrid. As you know that if I need to issue a run command or show command, I need to go to the privileged exec mode. But I have another option too. If I put do at the beginning of the command, I can use the show command in the interface mode or config mode too. You can use it whatever you want. Show CDP neighbors. Enter. As you're gonna remember from the sections that I talked to you before, what CDP is doing is that's showing us the directly connected neighbor information. As you can see that from the output, Madrid has a directly connected member which name is Miami. And Madrid's local interface, when it's connecting to Miami, is Gigabit Ethernet 0, 0. And we can also see that Madrid is a Cisco 2900 router and Miami is using its Gig 00 port while it's connecting to me.